Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be solving this 3x4x4 Rubik's Cube. Okay, first of all let's make the first layer. Almost done. Perfect. Now the second layer. Done. Now we need to solve the cross. And now the white corners. Almost done. Perfect. And now we need to solve the yellow corners. And now we are almost done. So now we need to solve the edges to the right spot. Perfect. And now we are going to solve the party and solve this cube. Almost done. Please like and subscribe to support me.